Hey everybody, how's it going? Just getting this set up here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Let me know in the chat if there's any issues. It's been a while since I've done a live stream, and I don't think I've ever done one on this computer, so hopefully I've got everything set up, but let me know if you guys can't see anything or hear me. I figured I'd stop in. I'd do a quick live stream tonight, see how everybody's doing, go over some stuff with Autodesk University. Hey everybody, which how's it going? Kicks off just getting this set up here in just a couple days. On Tuesday morning, Autodesk University starts for the first time in an online only format, which is pretty cool. Are you guys signed up? Are you going to sign up? What are you thinking? Yeah, let me know in the chat on the left, I guess, or right, if you guys can hear me, and if you're going to be attending Autodesk University. So I guess we can start with some of the details. Autodesk University, if you don't know, is a huge design and drafting conference put on by Autodesk, where they feature new software, industry kind of talks and lectures, as well as classes presented by some pretty popular bloggers and social media users, forum members, kind of a bunch of people within the Autodesk and AutoCAD community. They all submit applications to present a class and are voted and selected based on everybody's kind of interests and kind of the topics they want to learn about. So you can see the screen here. I'm on the Autodesk website. I've put most of the links in the description below. If you're interested in registering, I think anybody that uses AutoCAD, Civil 3D, Inventor, pretty much any of the Autodesk suite should attend, especially since this year it's free and it's online, and for the most part it's on demand as well, so you can kind of change it to fit your schedule. You can pop in and out depending on work. You could take an entire day and watch as many lectures as possible. Or you can simply pick and choose from a few that interest you. So again, I've put the link here to register in the video description below. Simply clicking on the register now here will take you to a page where you can sign into your Autodesk account, basically just using your email, and they'll send you a link that allows you to log in and register for classes. We go over to one of these other tabs here. You can see that the day one or kickoff of AU is at 9 a.m. Pacific on November 17th. That's in 2 days. That's on Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. And I think it's pretty useful to listen in on the initial kind of keynote where the CEO and president of Autodesk kind of presents, gives the status of the business and the company, things that they're looking forward to moving forward. A bit of a demo on some new tech, as well as gives you kind of a briefing of what to expect for the rest of the conference. After that, you can kind of jump in between classes. You can see the entire schedule over here. Again, this link is down in the description. And from here, you can kind of scroll through or search based on the product or industry or topic that you're looking for. For me, I'm going to be doing probably some of the, or attending some of the meetups and classes on AutoCAD as well as Civil 3D. And then we'll see what else is interesting. I like some of the tech demos and some of the sponsored stuff from hardware companies as well. I'm interested to see what if you guys are going to be attending, and then kind of what demos or instructionals, activities, classes that you're looking forward to. I think everybody should be taking advantage of this. Normally these tickets are a couple grand US, and it's in Vegas, so not everybody can travel. I know I've been trying to go to AU for a few years now. I've had tickets given to me by my company a few times, and it just hasn't worked out. One year that I had them, my son was born the same week, so I was staying home regardless because my wife was quite pregnant. And because of that, his birthday lands usually in this week as well. So it's made it difficult to get there. So I'm really looking forward to the fact that this one is online and accessible to anyone. Just scrolling through these, there's a few that I'd be interested in for sure, including the civil one here at the top. Civil Engineering Community Meetup from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. On Tuesday. So you can add these to your calendar and then just hop into those videos, whether they're live streams or they're pre-recorded. I think you guys are going to get a lot out of them. There's also going to be Q&As after most of them from the creators and teachers, which can be super useful and a great way to get to know some of the fellow designers and teachers in the community. Another really cool feature that they've added this year is the fact that you can get your Autodesk certification online and for half the price if you're a registered attendee of AU. Certification gives you kind of a test on your knowledge in a specific industry or product like AutoCAD or Civil 3D or a variety of others. And then you get a certificate of completion certification showing that you know that software to a certain level, which can help when looking for jobs. And it's pretty recognized throughout the industry. And this year they're offering it online and for half off, which is pretty nice. I know they're at almost 100,000 signups already, which is pretty crazy. And I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this. And I think it's pretty cool that everybody from around the world is going to be able to attend this year, regardless of financial status, scheduling, just general effort. It's as simple now as signing up and watching some videos live, rather than having to pay thousands of dollars to travel to Las Vegas and pay for the ticket, as well as getting time off and scheduling everything so that you can kind of see everything that you want to, which can be an issue in Vegas, considering different lectures and classes are in different areas. There's a lot of moving around and scheduling, and sometimes you have to pick and choose. In this case, since they're all digital, you're going to be able to watch them when suits you in a video on demand kind of format, which is pretty cool. I see there's a few of you in here now. For sure, let me know in the comments or in the chat here on the side if you guys are attending, what you're looking forward to, any questions you might have about Autodesk University. I might not necessarily be able to answer them, but I can probably point you in the right direction. I'm going to try and do these live streams every couple weeks or so, as well, to kind of take in ideas and take requests for upcoming videos on the channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos lately. I've been getting lots of comments, which is nice, as well as some requests. And I'm always looking for more ideas and kind of to get a better feel of what you guys are looking to learn when it comes to AutoCAD, as well as any other software you might want to use or integrations between software. I've also done a lot of work with ArcGIS and Esri and integrating that data into AutoCAD and Civil 3D, as well as vice versa. Again, I hope you guys are all going to register. There's really no downside. It's free. It's online and it's super easy. Another cool thing to check out is the AU 2025K. If you're active or hoping to be more active and like to run, walk, or cycle, um, it's something put on by a few people, including Shan Hurley, who is pretty active on the forums and social media for Autodesk. It's a cool event, and it's run through Strava, which is a fitness app. So you guys can sign up. I'll put the link. I think I've already put it in the description, but if not, I will. It's worth checking out. I think you guys would enjoy it, and it's a great kind of team building thing. You can post in there to other design professionals and share that you've done your 5K and share kind of some pictures of your area. Kind of cool. Anybody else waiting for a PlayStation 5? I know I've got an order in, and mine should be showing up in the next couple days. Maybe I'll do an unboxing on the channel here. It could be fun. I don't know if there's many people that are into gaming, but I definitely like to. And I'm looking forward to the new PS5, Cyberpunk in particular. A little bit of an update on the channel too is that I've got a couple videos in progress. One is a review and kind of a feature for a coffee break episode, looking at Baron Fig notebooks and kind of supplies. They sent me some stuff to review, and so far it's my favorite notebook and kind of package tool set that I've used. The pen is great, and they also sent me like a case for a notebook to carry business cards and notes, sketches. And so far I've been using it daily for the last couple weeks and really enjoying it. So that video will be coming up in the next week or two. I've also got a new CAD workstation on its way from XI. You might remember, and if not, you can look up that video. But I did a video with them a few years ago, and we built out a custom CAD PC using off-the-shelf parts, and I think we used a gaming graphics card for that one. And then we just kind of tested it out using Civil 3D, and it performed really well. So in this new one, we're going to do some benchmarks and comparisons to the old system, as well as to some common CAD systems like Quadro cards and setups. Another thing we've got coming up on the channel is some more 2-Minute Tuesdays. I just actually finished writing my next article for the AutoCAD blog tonight, which is why I'm kind of doing this live stream. I'm already on the computer and doing some CAD intention stuff, so I figured I'd do a live stream, check in with you guys, and give a bit of info on Autodesk University, which I think is a kind of cool and common thing with everybody that watches the videos. If you're interested enough to be watching the videos and learning AutoCAD, I think you can get a lot out of AU, which stands for Autodesk University, and is basically a free training this year for learning any of the software from some of the top professionals in the world that do this daily as their job. So I think you can get a lot out of it, and it's all for free this year. Great. So yeah, if there's any questions, let me know here. Otherwise, I'll probably call it a night. I wanted to kind of test this out. I'm trying to get this system set up to be easy and quick to get on here streaming for you guys and sharing what I can. I don't know how much of a delay there is, but I'll be working on that as well. Hopefully we can get it down so that we can have a bit of a Q&A back and forth in future ones, as well as take requests, and maybe I'll do some live stream of some AutoCAD tutorials or demos as well. And if there's anything you guys want, if you're in here live, leave it in the chat. Otherwise, if you watch this later, be sure to leave it in the comments as well. I see John just mentioned in the chat that he signed up. That's great. I think you're going to really enjoy it. If you've never been, this is a great way to kind of check it out. I know, as I mentioned earlier, I haven't been able to go in person to Vegas because my son was born the last time I got free tickets the same week. So I stayed home, obviously, for that. Yeah, that's great, John. Glad you're signing up. It's definitely worth it. It's free, and I think there's a ton of courses that you guys are gonna enjoy. Uoho? Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. The training is free. You can sign up in the link in the description below, or just go to autodesk.com and find Autodesk University. You can register there for free. Normally, this conference is 3 days, with a couple days on either end too for additional kind of like industry events. And it's normally in Vegas and costs usually a few $1,000s US. But this year, due to the world kind of situation, nobody can travel. So Autodesk is putting this on for free for all of us as an online conference, which is pretty sweet. I know I'm looking forward to it. And I know you guys are going to get a lot out of it. And I want to know what kind of courses you guys are interested in within AU. I know the keynote, which is Tuesday morning at about 9 a.m. Pacific time. That's worth going to, as well as some of the like leadership panels. The 15-minute theater talks that it talks about here are super useful, as well as some of the technology stuff. It's pretty neat. That's great, John. I'm sure everybody on your social media will be excited. It's definitely a pretty cool opportunity, and it's free, so you're not really missing out on anything to try it out. Well, I think that's almost it for what I wanted to cover tonight. Hope you guys something up. I definitely think you're going to enjoy it, and I hope to see some of you there. I'll be attending as much as I can, and I'll be in some of the chats. I also know some of the presenters, so I might be helping out with those and contributing in the Q&As as well. I'll also be putting up some info on the channel here, as well as I might do a follow-up live stream after the first night on the Tuesday, or maybe on the Wednesday after a couple days of the conference. I'll come back on here, do a live stream, and we can recap some of the presentations. I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, that's great. Definitely sign up, you guys. Good night. I'm not sure what area code 90401 is or what time it is there, but hopefully it's not too late. It's about 10 o'clock p.m. here. I'm in BC, Canada. So it's not too late, but I do work tomorrow. I'm going to try and wrap up some of this. Again, I was just finishing up writing a new article for the AutoCAD blog. If you guys haven't checked out my previous ones, you can check them out on the AutoCAD blog. I'll put the link in the description, or you can check them out on my site, cadintentions.com. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. Cheers.